HIMS stock analysis and price predictions for this is Thursday. Is HIMS and HERS held stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. And I am the only person in this space and world that has done 43,000 videos like this, documented them all, and shown you what's actually working and making money. Now, with this in particular, 3% up is quite sick. I sort of wanted to see my double break, but it sort of went without me, which is fair. You know, I'm not just going to run after it and just take random trades. Although this is still a very bullish market, I'm going to hold off. I'm going to kind of hold off. Because if you remember here, I've called out this exact moment in the Discord, which was just before 1st of April, and it sort of went up. I was really like juicy, hyped up about this, and I still am, because if it reaches this top before it reaches a break even, it's still a win. So that's what I'm still holding, kind of swing wise. And that's how HIMS is actually looking like for me. It's obviously not financial advice, very biased towards that long side, but it doesn't mean that I'm everything that's out there that I'm going to buy. You know what I mean? So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.